Alright guys, so I just finished unboxing my iPhone XS Max, and to go along with it I bought a leather case from Apple. This is the product red case, and generally I am not that big of a fan of Apple cases because I feel like they're too expensive, but honestly this time I was limited with choices because no other case is ready to ship until a couple more days, and I didn't want to use the phone unprotected. And another problem is that even if I do use the phone unprotected, it falls, I'll just feel bad. I didn't go for the silicone one because I don't like the feel, and the fact that it's only $10 cheaper than this didn't really make it that good of a deal for me anyway, so I went with the leather, and I went with the red because I really did like that red and black combo on the iPhone 8, on the iPhone XR, and I kind of want to recreate that for my own iPhone. Now, the one thing was that on the website, when I saw this, it looked a lot more how would I say it? Like, it looked a lot darker. It looked like dark red. I don't know how you like dark cherry red, kind of like that. But in person, it was a lot lighter. And then, as I was, talking to an Apple Store employee about it, they made a very good point as to this is a leather case and it will patina over time. For those of you who don't know what patina means, that means that the leather is going to wear. It's going to get it's going to get oils on it. It's going to get darker. It's going to become a lot more of a different color than it is right now. So he said that it will most likely become darker to the color that you want it as, and that made sense to me. I've seen other cases, leather cases, where they do patina. They look pretty cool, and honestly, what could go? I want to try this for once because I will always bash it if I haven't tried it. If I've tried it, I might still bash it, but then I would actually understand what's wrong with it. So let me open up the case. So I'm not sure how it works. How do you release it? Is there tape or something? I don't think so. So no, it's just like on the back it doesn't really have anything. No tape, no anything. So this is just, I think I'm just going to pull on it really hard and see what happens. Yeah, there we go. All right, that worked. Okay, so the case is out. The one thing I love about Apple stores is that they have all these cases out on display for you so that you can actually put them on your phones and see if you like it or not. And I did put it on my phone, and I did. And honestly, of all the other color options, this is the one that I like the most. And that was kind of weird because I'm not that much of a fan of red as a color. I'm always headed towards blue, black, or clear cases. But I'm going to try this for a while. Let's see what it works out to be as. And if I don't like it, I don't like it. I'll just switch to a Spigen case, but at least I'll try it. So let's put it in. Let's see how it feels like. All right. Okay, it's on. So it feels good. It has the Apple logo indented. There isn't like a cutout to show it. They just kind of imprinted it into the case itself. So fit is obviously perfect. It is Apple. The one thing I am noticing is that there is like stretching here at the bottom of the leather. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick it up. So here I can see kind of stretching, and I'm very certain that as it's leather, it'll take time to kind of stretch out and wear and kind of become a little bit more, is natural the right word? A little bit more regular, I guess. So looking forward to that. But yeah, it feels good. The leather is pretty large. I mean, the case is pretty large. I'm not sure about protection though, so that is one thing that does concern me with a phone of this size, whether protection is going to be at the best or not with a case like this. I have seen drop tests. Everything Apple Pro has tested out this case, and it does fare decently well. But the fact that the bottom part is completely exposed and it's just something that I'm thinking about. So again, I'm going to use it, let you know what I think. But overall, on my initial impressions, I like the way it feels. It does kind of, there's these like leather wrinkles, and I think that's just going to, be over time. It'll kind of smoothen out. The color is lighter red. It isn't as dark as I'd hoped it is, but again, it is leather, so it should patina and give me that nice, darker, richer look. So let me know what you guys think about this red color, the product red leather case for the XS Max. Do you think I made the right call, or do you think I should have just waited and picked up a regular Spigen or something from a more traditional case manufacturer that makes regular looking cases? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm personally, 50-50 right now. I still might just completely ditch this and buy a Spigen case when they're available. But let's see. All right. Okay. So I still haven't set up the phone, by the way. Yeah, that I have to do. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you haven't already, guys, and you enjoyed the content, I would appreciate you if you subscribe to the channel for a lot more iPhone 10 content coming your way. The XS Max, I'm sorry. That name is so long and annoying. I keep just calling it the iPhone 10. But yes, the XS Max videos are coming out. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Please follow me on social media as well. I have all the links down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, guys.